So here we are reading the fungus structure continuate. Here there is a word called as parasexuality. Okay. Throughout biology, the word para means besides, parallel, parathyroid. So we will speak of one context. Anything besides that is para. So here parasexuality means other than sexual reproduction. So parasexuality is unique to fungus. We will see fungi performing this. And parasexuality is asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction which mimics sexual reproduction. That's why we call it as parasexuality, because sexuality is sexual reproduction, parasexuality is asexual reproduction. Parasexuality is performed when a fungus cannot go with sexual reproduction. When it can't perform sexual reproduction, then as a backup call, the fungus will adapt parasexuality. All of us know mycelium is always haploid. Like algae, mycelium is always haploid. We know the stages of sexual reproduction in fungus, isn't it? What are the stages? Plasmogamy, where cytoplasm of the cells fuse. Karyogamy, where the nucleus of the cells fuse. Once the nucleus fuse, we get zygote. Then zygote undergoes what kind of cell division? Meiosis, because zygote will be diploid. And meiosis will give me haploid spores, which will again become fungus. I told you this. So mycelium is always haploid. Here what happens? If it is not able to perform these stages meticulously and so precisely like sexual reproduction, then fungus will go for parasexuality. What it will do is nothing. The mycelium, when two mycelium, so this is mycelium of one fungus, this is mycelium of other fungus. When they come together, what type of reproduction let me take it as A and let me take it as B. These two have come together to perform sexual reproduction, but they cannot perform it. So what do? They do parasexuality. So the cells of this and this will randomly start fusing. There is no mitosis, there is no gamete formation, there is no fusion of gametes, nothing. Randomly, the hyphae will fuse. After fusing, what happens? The haploid cells of one hyphus will fuse with the haploid cells of other hyphus, then that will result in diploid cells. Is there a sexual reproduction? No. What did the two mycelium do? We cannot produce gametes and fuse. So what we will do? We will combine randomly to give rise to a diploid cell. So I can't even call this as zygote, because there is no fertilization, no gametes. Randomly haploid cells have mixed to become a diploid cell. So in next video I am going to show you how it will give rise to offspring. This diploid cell formed due to random fusion, but there is no gamete, no fertilization, no zygote formation, yet I have a diploid cell. Remember this much. Follow the next video.